What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard, and in today's video we're going to talk about the best cases for the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Now I know it's the holiday season, so this video is kind of good if you're looking to get somebody a little gift and it's a Pixel 9 Pro Fold user. At the end of the video I'm going to give you some other options, not only cases but other accessories that are good for any Pixel 9 Pro Fold user. Maybe you want to pick it up as a gift to them, maybe for your husband, your wife, or anybody out there you know that rocks and loves the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. You cannot go wrong with if you get any of these cases, any of these accessories that I suggest that are perfect for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start with the thinnest case, which is, I believe, one of the best is the later case right here. Now the later case, in my opinion, is one of the best thinnest cases you can get for the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It looks very nice. It stays on. It has the front portion of the case, boom, as well. No hinge protection, but it does have the camera module protection here on the back. Now this right here is a snap accessory. Serves as a MagSafe for wireless charging and other various things like a kickstand or a holder. More on that later on, but this is another accessory you can pick up for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I'll give you more context on this, but this case is absolutely amazing. If you're looking for the thinnest case for a Pixel 9 Pro Fold, you cannot go wrong with the later case. It is available in different colors as well, just not as black, but it's absolutely fantastic. And an honorable mention is Thinnest's case. Now Thinnest's case is absolutely fantastic as well. The only reason why I don't rock this is because it doesn't cover this portion of the camera lens, but if you don't care about this, that Thinnest is another one that's absolutely fantastic. The difference between Thinnest and the later case is that Thinnest has built-in MagSafe, something that I wish the later case would have had. The Thinnest one has it built in, later case doesn't. Just that's one thing to notice, but this is another honorable mention here. If you're looking for another thin Arabic fiber case, you cannot go wrong with Thinnest. Either of these two cases is going to work fantastic, but I absolutely love the later case. I wish I would have had the built-in MagSafe like the Thinnest, but either of these are perfectly just fine for you. Moving on to a more medium style protection, but still slim in the hand and slim in the pocket. It is the Tudia Merge Grip. This case is absolutely stunning. It is nice and thin, but still gives you the protection needed. A little bit more protection in the later case. You have lip protection there as well. Very nice, good build quality. It does not have hinge protection, but it works very good with tempered glass screen protectors and everything as well. This does have built-in MagSafe, which is a must nowadays, I think. Boom. Now absolutely love that it has all that. It's just a bit grippier. If you love the official Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold case from Google, this one's just like a step up from it. Gives you the protection you needed at a very slim profile, and gives you MagSafe capability. You cannot go wrong with the Tudia Merge Grip. And something to keep in mind, this does come with a built-in screen protector, the plastic ones, but I want to go ahead and pop that one out, and I'm just rocking it without, and it works just fine with any regular tempered glass screen protector, as you can see. And if you're looking for the ultimate protection, you have the Poetic Spartan case. This thing is going to give you 360 degrees of protection. You got hinge protection, you got a built-in screen protector. You can pop it out if you want, and you do have a kickstand here. Boom, built-in kickstand on the hinge protection. It's going to give you the most amount of protection, bam, and give you the functionality of propping your phone either in horizontal or in landscape. It doesn't matter which way you prop the phone, it's going to work with this built-in kickstand here. The hinge protection, and it's a nice sturdy hinge. But the hinge protection is there. Everything else is there. Boom. Very nice. Very good looking aesthetic. Does give you a lot of protection, but does not add too much bulk to your Pixel 9 Pro Fold. But if you're looking for something that's going to give you the most protection, you cannot go wrong with the Poetic Spartan case. And those are the top 3 cases. And I know there was more than 3, but those are the cases I strongly recommend to any Pixel 9 Pro Fold user. You have your thin, your medium protection, and your full out protection. Now let's move on to screen protectors. Now the screen protector that I'm currently rocking is the one from Later Case, because I am rocking it with the Later Case screen protector, and that one absolutely works fantastic. It does go edge to edge, so make sure that the case you're rocking does support the edge to edge screen protector function, and it is absolutely fantastic. Another one that I absolutely love is the D brand's Prism 2.0 screen protector. It absolutely works fantastic. It's very durable, high quality, and easy to install. The Later Case did not come with an installation tray or anything like that, so I lean more towards the D brand Prism 2.0 because it's just a lot easier to install. It's just going to make installation a lot better. Flipping around the back, and we're looking at protection for your camera lens, and this is Spiegel's camera lens protection, which I absolutely love and been rocking since I got my Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Nothing wrong with these, but if you're looking for a little bit of added protection, some ease of mind, Spigen tempered glass screen protector for the camera lens is absolutely amazing. You can just clean these bad boys up, and it works just fine with any cases out there, especially the Later Case that kind of has those cutouts like that. It aligns just perfectly. All right, let's move on to more accessories in regards to charging, wearable accessories like watches and earbuds. So moving on to the charging solution, I have this 3-in-1 that I picked up on Amazon. Now this is going to work just fine. It does have a charging compatible dock for your Pixel Watch 3 or your Pixel Watch 2. Would not work with the Pixel Watch 1. And then the phone does charge here. Now keep in mind, if you're rocking the Fold, you do have to get like a tiny Lego and place it right there just to prop the phone up so the charging coil matches the one on your Pixel 9 Pro Fold, kind of like that. And I do charge it with the snap charger, and it works just fine. And then you do have a placement down here for your Pixel Buds, which is absolutely amazing. This is relatively cheap, not too pricey, and you can pick this up on the link of the description below. And moving on, you cannot have a Pixel 9 Pro Fold without having the Pixel Watch. And now the Pixel Watch is absolutely amazing. This is the Pixel Watch 3 in 45mm with the Spigen case, and I think I absolutely love this combo right here because it makes it look like a G-Shock kind of style watch. The Pixel Watch 3 has been absolutely fantastic. The battery life is outrageously good. It's been a good addition to my Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and you cannot go wrong with this bad boy here. Now pairing this up with Pixel Buds as well, if you're looking for something to give a Pixel 9 Pro Fold user, you cannot go wrong with the Pixel Watch or the Pixel Buds Pro 2s. They're absolutely fantastic. They work just fine. The sound quality are way better than the previous Pixel Buds Pro, and the transparency mode where you can hear the outside is absolutely fantastic as well. The Pixel Buds Pro 2s are absolutely fantastic as a gift as well. And last but not least, and you've seen these in a couple of my cases, and I get them a lot on a bunch of them. Now these are snaps, and this one's kind of stuck on here because this doesn't have MagSafe, so it gives it the ability to have MagSafe. As you can see, boom, it goes like that, and then you can charge wirelessly through the MagSafe accessory. Let me turn this. Does it even have charge right here? Yeah, I have to charge this one, but it wirelessly charges your device. Boom, it just sticks on there like that, and that is something that this allows you to do. You can use it as a kickstand as well, bam, like so. You can use it to hold your phone, especially when you're using foldables and you have them unfolded like that. Easier to grip your foldable device. And this is the old Snap version 4 or something like that. Everything that you see in this video, there'll be a link in the description, so make sure you run down there and help out Gadget Beard, the channel, by clicking on any of those affiliated links. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding any of these products that I just mentioned, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. But this is the ultimate Pixel 9 Pro Fold gift guide for you for 2024. It does not get better than this. If you have any better suggestions than that I have, let me know. Leave them down in the comment section below and we'll take a look at them, or it'll help out the rest of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold community. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.